Alright guys, so I wanted to make a video with a topic that it seems a lot of people are struggling with. So you'll see the topic at the very top in blue. Find the perimeter or area of a rectangle given one of these values. So here is a sample question out of Alex. So it says the length of the rectangle is 6 times the width. If the area of the rectangle is 384 yards squared, find the perimeter. Alright, so first thing I need to do is kind of get some variables set up and find my length and width. It says that the length of the rectangle is 6 times the width. So the length of it is 6 times the width, or 6W. So then the width must be just W. I don't know it, so I will call the width W, and then the length is going to be 6W. So my rectangle is going to be 6W by W. And then the question says, if the area of the rectangle is 384 yards squared, find its perimeter. All right, so area of a rectangle, the formula is length times width. Well, the length in my problem, the length is 6W times the width, which is just W. And then it tells me in the question that the area of the rectangle is 384 yards squared. I'm going to ignore my units until the end. So 6W times W, well, W times W gives me W squared. So I'll have 6W squared equals 384. I need to get W by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I will get 64 equals W squared. Now to undo squared, I'm going to square root both sides. And then the square root of 64 is 8 equals W. I'm not done. The question said to find the perimeter. Okay, well, perimeter of a rectangle, the formula, perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W, or add up all the sides. Both are correct. 2L plus 2W is the formula that you'll see if you just Google it, or the formula on our formula sheet. But add up all the sides is practically what you'll do with any area. So I know that the width is 8. The width. I know the width is 8 yards. The length, they told me back in the beginning of my question, the length is 6 times the width. The length is 6W. So if the width is 8, then the length is 6W, or 6 times 8, or 48. Now again, I'm still not quite done. That is just the length and the width. The question said, find the perimeter. And the perimeter is P equals 2L plus 2W, or add up all the sides. And so I've got 2 times the length, which is 48, plus 2 times the width, which is 8, and gives us a final answer of 112 yards. And so that's the final answer that you would type in. So this is a good question because it asks you several different things, and then it asks you to do something with the solutions that you found. Hopefully this video helps you in your 2.4 to 2.6 module.